It is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and tonight meteorologist Matt Willoughby takes a look at some of the myths that are out there commonly that come up during this time of the year.
Welcome to Severe Weather Mythbusters. The severe weather season can be a little bit of an uncomfortable feeling when it comes to all the natural disasters we see during the winter months. In order to stay safe, some may look up ways to reduce the blow during the severe weather season, but some ways to stay safe are not always true. I'm meteorologist Matt Willoughby, and I'll break down the top 5 myths during severe weather season. We're starting off with myth number 1. Does a warm winter set up a busy severe weather season? Well, the warm winter seasons, at least on vice versa, when it comes to warm air early in the season or lasting through the winter could foster more severe weather in parts of the Midwest and Central and even the Northern Plains states as well. If the temperatures in March, for example, are more typical of April, then we would expect April-like severe weather chances. Remember, the weather does not have a calendar. This warm air could also power more severe weather and potentially stronger storms in the south during the cooler months of at least the spring months. That brings us to myth number 1. Now let's go to myth number 2. Is it true that rubber sole shoes protect you from lightning? Well, rubber sole shoes and rubber tires do not give you any more protection from lightning, but you are safe inside a car because of its metal frame, not because of the rubber tires or somehow insulating you, so you should always take shelter during a frequent lightning event. Myth number 3, at least myth number 2 is for us right now. At least as we go into myth number 3, well, thunderstorms and tornadoes always move from west to east. That is in fact myth number 3. More often than not, thunderstorms move from west to east, and conditions in the atmosphere dictate how and where storms will move, and it can be any direction actually. Tornadoes have been known to be erratic and can change directions and speed very quickly, so never try to outrun a tornado in a vehicle. Myth number 4, flash floods can only occur along flowing streams. That is in fact myth number 4. Flash floods can and do occur in dry creeks or riverbeds, as well as urban areas where no streams are in fact present. So make sure you're careful with those flood-prone areas throughout your severe weather season. As we go into myth number 5, which is the most popular one, tornadoes cannot go into downtown or populated areas. Many cities in the U.S. have been directly hit by tornadoes in recent years, including Miami, Salt Lake City, Birmingham, Oklahoma City, Houston, Fort Worth, Nashville, Joplin, Missouri, being the most famous one. Tornadoes are typically 5 to 10 miles tall. A tall building with a height of 500 to 1,000 feet, which is the height of the Empire State Building, cannot deflect or destroy a tornado, and that makes that myth 5. You can find all of these myths on our WTOL website and also on WTOL Plus and YouTube as we go throughout our severe weather season. I'm meteorologist Matt Willoughby, reporting in studio.